Sitting in the Mint 4K at 119 Celsius, 120, which is 250 Fahrenheit. Let's have a look in here. We have St. Louis style Otway pork spare ribs with a Memphis rub, looking really good. Smoke is now finished. So they've been on for 3 hours, and I haven't been mopping, but I actually give them a spritz every 15 to 20 minutes after an hour and a half. And that spritz is a mixture of apple juice, red wine vinegar, olive oil, and some beautiful smoky bacon splash. This is a new recipe we're serving here at Heston's Barbecue Lab, which is now open, by the way. So if you're in Melbourne, come and take a booking. Quite a fantastic masterclass. I'm now going to put those in foil with some apple juice and finish them off till they are super tender. Well, they've had 2 hours with the wrapping, so let's have a look. Steaming hot. Whoa, look at that. It's going to take that off. That is just glistening with moisture. And if I can just pop that, well, not much left on that. The flesh is just insane. I'm going in. Oh. Hello, ribs. Wow.